My VOESH Pedi Moments set is here and I can't wait to try it. This 100% vegan pedicure kit gives you a complete at-home spa experience in just 4 simple steps. Each set includes a salt soap to detox and refresh, a sugar scrub to gently exfoliate, a mud mask to cleanse and smooth, and a rich massage butter to hydrate and soften. Plus it comes with a nail file for the perfect finishing touch. The Mango Delight Edition smells amazing. Infused with the natural mango extract and organic virgin olive oil, it helps brighten, protect, and deeply moisturize your skin. This kit is super easy to use and perfect for all skin types, even sensitive skin. The exfoliating scrub is gentle yet effective, and the mud mask leaves my feet feeling incredibly soft, and my hands too. After using Pedi Moments, my feet and my hands feel so smooth and refreshed, just like salon pedicure, but at home. Whether it's for self-care or a fun girls' night in, this set is a must-try.